To install Visual Studio Code, you can just go to code.visualstudio.com/download. I will provide this link in the description so you can copy that link from there and just download your Visual Studio Code based on your operating system and architecture. I'm using Windows 10 operating system here, so I have already downloaded it and I have already installed in my system. And once you install the Visual Studio Code, just go to this extension tab, and from here just search for Terraform. Here you will get an extension to install Terraform, that is Azure Terraform extension from Microsoft. There are other extensions available like HashiCorp Terraform, which is provided by HashiCorp, so you can also try any of this extension and you can test it in your environment. So for this particular tutorial, I'm just going with Azure Terraform extension, and just go ahead and download it. You can just install this extension from here, and once you install the extension, you are good to go with writing code in Terraform in Visual Studio Code.